Just a quick look at my 5150, which I've just finished building. Slightly different badge, says 5150 instead of personal computer. Twin IBM tandem drives, both are operating. I've tested disks in both of them, they both seem to be absolutely fine. The B drive needs a bit of a wipe down, but I'll get to that in a minute. I'm just running Microsoft Basic. Just run a little test program I wrote just to keep it busy. 5150 boots into Basic if you haven't given it a disk. But I do have a DOS boot disk here. I'll just give it a reboot. Interesting thing with 5150, there's no feedback on the BIOS checks, so you have to just wait and it will give you error codes. In this case, this one's set up properly, so there are no error codes. The other interesting thing is it only looks for one floppy drive on startup, and when it's set up for two. That was the post completing, there's no feedback at all, just a cursor. This model has 256 kilobytes of RAM, which is why the RAM test was quite quick. These can be quite painful when you fill them up with lots of stuff. This is just a boot disk, so I really don't have much to show you here, other than it works. F-disk is on this disk because I had to get a virus off my old XT, so I need to copy the file over. Yeah, there's not much else to show you. You see a lot of it's really worn, needs a lot of cleanup. These marks, I tried getting them off with your usual spray and wipe stuff, but none of it works, and these brown marks are actually rust. Quick look around the rear. You see a big rust hole there. Even on the expansion slots you can see all the rust going in there and up there. This old machine's from Christchurch Polytechnic. Had to repair the power supply twice. The monitors had to have a professional repair from a blown transistor. Occasionally it starts to flash too, so I'm a little bit worried it's going to need that done again. The original keyboard, this isn't the original. The original keyboard I do have. Unfortunately that locks up the machine and crashes it and starts sending random character codes, so I have to investigate that one further. But that's about it.